Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. This is the first video in a two-part series on UpToDate. Today we're going to look at using UpToDate's main search bar. UpToDate is a great resource for our nursing and pharmacy students and faculty. You can access UpToDate by visiting the Pharmacy or Nursing Research Guides on the library's homepage using the Research Guide quick link. You can also access UpToDate using the Database eBooks and Media quick link from the library's homepage, uu.edu/library. From the database list, use the letter filters to find UpToDate. Clicking on UpToDate will open the database. On the main home screen, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your search terms such as a medication, specific condition, disease, or lab abnormality. UpToDate will also recognize most common abbreviations. As you begin typing your search term, you'll notice an auto-population. You can either type your terms or use the auto-populated terms. Clicking on these terms will bring up a result list. Here you can filter your results based on adult, pediatric, patient education information, or graphics. On the adult and pediatric option, you will see an arrow that brings up the interactive topic outline. Using the interactive topic outline will allow you to click to specific areas without navigating to the main page. You can also click the search term that's hyperlinked in blue. This will bring up the main page for this topic as well as the interactive outline. You can navigate through the pages using the interactive outline. You can also find graphics by scrolling to the bottom of the outline where it says Graphics, then choose View All. These are the graphics that are listed in this information. Clicking on them will open the graphic. Here you can download and print the graphic. The main search page is also a great way to find graphics. Clicking on the graphics filter will bring you to a page that lists graphics. As you click on the graphic, a pop-up window will appear. You can view the graphic, download, print, export to PowerPoint. You can also see where this graphic appears in the content. Clicking on the link will bring you to that content page. On the home page, you will see a bar that says Contents. This is a curated information that UpToDate provides for those using it. You can search topics that are new, practice-changing updates. When you click on these topics, a list will appear. Click on a link to bring up the changes. You can also find information in the contents based on patient education, drug information, topics by specialty, authors, and editors. As you click on a specialty, you'll see additional specialties until you narrow down to your particular topic. If you'd like more information about using the calculators and drug interactions options for UpToDate, please view our UpToDate Part 2 video. The link is in the comments. If you have questions or need help using UpToDate or with research, please schedule a research coach appointment today and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this first video in our UpToDate series. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions for other videos, please leave it in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.